Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beer from hops, step by step. First, you will need to gather all your brewing equipment and ingredients. This includes malted barley, your chosen hops, brewing yeast, and clean water. The initial step is mashing, where you steep the grains in hot water, usually between 150 and 158 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 1 hour. This process extracts the sugars essential for fermentation. Next, you will sparge the grain, which means rinsing the grain bed with hot water to collect all the sugary liquid, known as wort. Once collected, transfer the wort to a large kettle and bring it to a vigorous boil. This boil typically lasts for 60 to 90 minutes. During this time, you will add hops at different intervals. Early additions provide bitterness, while later additions contribute more flavor and aroma. The timing of your hop additions is crucial. Adding hops in the last 15 minutes of the boil, or even after, will significantly boost the beer's aroma. After the boil, it is critical to rapidly cool the wort down to about 70 degrees Fahrenheit. This quick chilling prevents the growth of unwanted bacteria and helps to set the hop flavors. You can use an immersion chiller or an ice bath for this important step. Finally, once the wort is cooled, you will pitch your yeast. This is where the magic happens, as the yeast consumes the sugars and produces alcohol and carbon dioxide. Fermentation typically takes 1 to 3 weeks in a sanitized vessel, depending on the yeast strain and desired beer style. After fermentation, you can bottle or keg your beer, adding a small amount of priming sugar to create natural carbonation for a delightful finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.